Hello, friends. Welcome to English Minds. Welcome to the vocab session. Let's learn new words and understand their correct uses. Let's get started. Facilitate means सहायक बनाना, सरल बनाना. Ease, assist, help, promote, aid, expedite. फैसिलिटी चीज़ों को क्या करती हैं? आसान बनाती है ना. Hinder, obstruct, impede, block, delay, prevent. The new software will facilitate the process of data entry. नई तकनीक ने काम को आसान बनाने में मदद की है. Feasible means possible, संभव, व्यवहारिक. Possible, achievable, attainable, workable, practical, viable. Opposite, impossible, impractical, unachievable, unworkable, infeasible, unfeasible. The project is feasible within the given time frame. यह प्रोजेक्ट सीमित समय में पूरा किया जा सकता है. Fervent, passionate, ardent, enthusiastic, eager, jealous, sincere. Opposite, indifferent, apathetic, lukewarm, cold, dispassionate, unenthusiastic. She gave a fervent speech about the importance of education. उसने शिक्षा के महत्व पर जोशीला भाषण दिया. Fluctuate, fluctuate, vary, oscillate, shift, alternate, change, wobble. Opposite, stabilize, steady, remain, persist, fix, steady. उतार चढ़ाव, बदलना. जैसे आपको फीवर हुआ हो तो उसमें क्या होता है? बॉडी का टेम्परेचर अप डाउन होता है ना. द स्टॉक मार्केट टेंड्स टू फ्लक्चुएट बेस्ड ऑन इकोनॉमिक कंडीशन. बाजार की कीमतें हर दिन बदलती रहती हैं. fortuitous, accidental, lucky, unexpected, random, coincidental, planned, intentional, deliberate, predictable, expected, calculated. मतलब आकस्मिक या संयोगवश. Their meeting was completely fortuitous as neither of them had planned it. उनकी मुलाकात पूरी तरह से संयोगवश हुई. Frivolous means light-hearted, trivial, petty, silly, superficial, insignificant. Opposite, serious, important, significant, weighty, substantial, meaningful. He was reprimanded for spending time on frivolous matters instead of work. वह व्यक्ति घंटों तक बातें करते रहा बजाय काम करने के. गैरुलस मीन्स बकवासी, मतलब बकवास करने वाला, बहुत बोलने वाला, वाचाल. टाकेटिव, चैटी, लोकेशियस, वोल्यूबल, वर्बोस, wordy. Opposite, taciturn, silent, reticent, reserved, quiet, mute. The garrulous old man shared stories for hours without stopping. वह व्यक्ति, बातूनी व्यक्ति, घंटों तक बातें करता रहा विदाउट स्टॉपिंग. ग्रिम. ग्रिम मीन्स गंभीर, डरावना. स्टर्न, सीवियर, हार्श. ब्लिक, somber, forbidding. Opposite, cheerful, optimistic, pleasant, happy, bright, light-hearted. The grim expression on his face indicated bad news. उनकी गंभीर अभिव्यक्ति से बुरी खबर का संकेत मिला. Gratuitous, unwarranted, unnecessary, uncalled for, unprovoked, superfluous, free. Opposite, necessary, warranted, justifiable, essential, deserved, reasonable. The movie was criticized for its gratuitous violence. फिल्म में अनावश्यक हिंसा की आलोचना की गई. गाइल. कनिंग, deceit, trickery, slyness, craftiness, deception. Opposite, honesty, straightforwardness, sincerity, truthfulness, candor, openness. Guile means छल कपट. The thief used his guile to manipulate the victim into giving him money. Harangue, lecture, rant, tirade, sermon, speech. Opposite, conversation, discussion, dialogue, calm talk, peaceable speech. The politician delivered a long harangue against the government. Haughty. Haughty means जो खुद को बहुत हॉट समझता है उसे हम क्या घमंडी बोलते हैं ना. अभिमानी, घमंडी. एरोगेंट, प्राइडफुल, disdainful, conceited, snobbish, supercilious. Opposite, humble, modest, meek, lowly, unpretentious, respectful. Her haughty attitude made it difficult for her to make friends. उसकी घमंडी प्रवृत्ति के कारण उसे दोस्त बनाना मुश्किल हो गया. हाइपोथेटिकल मीन्स काल्पनिक, परिकल्पित. theoretical, speculative, assumed, conjunctural, presumed, supposed. Opposite, actual, real, factual, certain, proven, established. The scientist discussed a hypothetical situation to explain the theory. वैज्ञानिक ने एक काल्पनिक स्थिति का उपयोग करके सिद्धांत समझाया. ignominious मीन्स अपमानजनक, कलंकित. disgraceful, shameful, dishonorable, humiliating, degrading, discreditable. Opposite, honorable, respected, dignified, noble, praiseworthy, virtuous. The team's ignominious defeat left them feeling embarrassed. इसका स्पेलिंग एरर में पूछता है, जैसा कि आप लोग जानते भी होंगे। इमैकुलेट मीन्स स्वच्छ, निर्दोष। परफेक्ट, स्पॉटलेस, क्लीन, फ्लॉलेस, unblemished, pure. Opposite, dirty, impure, flawed, stained, tainted, corrupt. Her immaculate white dress was free of any stains. उसका सफेद कपड़ा पूरी तरह से स्वच्छ था। Impervious means अभेद्य, अडिग। Impermeable, resistant, unaffected, immune, invulnerable, unyielding. Opposite, permeable, permeable, vulnerable, affected, sensitive, susceptible, receptive. The material was impervious to water, making it perfect for raincoats. Impetuous means उत्तेजित, आवेगी। Rash, impulsive, hasty, reckless, sudden, spontaneous. Opposite, cautious, careful, deliberate, thoughtful, prudent, skillful, restrained. His impetuous decision to quit his job was not well thought out. उसका आवेगी निर्णय लेने की आदत सही नहीं थी उसके जॉब के लिए। इनेन मीन्स जो लोग इंसेन होते हैं वो इनेन बातें करते हैं, मीन्स निरर्थक, बेकार। सिली, मीनिंगलेस, पॉइंटलेस, absurd, empty, trivial, petty. Opposite, significant, meaningful, important, thoughtful, deep, serious. The conversation seemed inane and lacked any real substance. Incessant means निरंतर, लगातार। Continuous, constant, unceasing, perpetual, relentless, non-stop. Opposite, intermittent, occasional, sporadic, periodic, temporary, erratic. The incessant noise from the construction site made it difficult to concentrate. लगातार शोर के ने में ध्यान केंद्रित करना मुश्किल हो गया। जक्स्टापोज मीन्स समानांतर, पास पास रखना। compare, contrast, align, place side by side, set against, oppose, opposite, separate, disconnect, isolate, disjoin, divide, detach. The exhibition juxtaposes modern art and with classical sculpture to highlight the different the differences. प्रदर्शनी में आधुनिक और क्लासिकल कलाओं को समानांतर रखा गया. These words are commonly tested in various competitive exams and will help expand your vocabulary for better comprehension and writing. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Stay tuned for more informative content and make sure to hit the bell icon to never miss an update. See you in the next video. Thank you.